你好，我是孙老师。Hello everyone, I am Mr. Sun, 你的汉语老师 your Mandarin teacher. Welcome to Mandarin lesson. 欢迎来到汉语课。My classroom, week 4. First, let's look at our learning outcomes. In this lesson, we are going to learn some mirror words with classroom objects. And after this lesson, you will be able to use these mirror words and you will be able to describe how many objects are in a backpack. We are going to learn some mirror word. In Mandarin, if we count the objects, we need to use the mirror word after the number. For example, 这是什么？这是铅笔。这是什么？这是钢笔。If we want to say one pencil or one fountain pen, we can't just say 一铅笔 or 一钢笔。We need to use a mirror word. So the mirror word for 铅笔 and 钢笔 is 支。Please repeat after me. 跟我读支。非常好。So a pencil in Mandarin is 一支铅笔。一支铅笔。Please repeat after me. 跟我读一支铅笔。非常好。How to say a fountain pen in Mandarin? A fountain pen in Mandarin is 一支钢笔。Please repeat. 一支钢笔。一支钢笔。非常好。So 支 is the mirror word for 铅笔 and 钢笔。Okay. Now, can you tell me how many 铅笔 do we have? Let's count. 一、二、三、四。So the number is 四。四什么铅笔 We need to put 支 in between. So the mirror word is 支. So 4 pencils in Mandarin is 四支铅笔。四支铅笔。跟我读四支铅笔。四支铅笔。非常好。Next one. 这是什么？这是尺子。这是剪子。这是椅子。The mirror word for 尺子、剪子 and 椅子 is 把。把。Can you repeat after me? 把。把。很好。So how to say a ruler in Mandarin? A ruler in Mandarin is 一把尺子。一把尺子。What about a pair of scissors? A pair of scissors in Mandarin is 一把剪子。跟我读一把剪子。非常好。And how to say a chair? A chair is 一把椅子。一把椅子。非常好。Right. Now, can you tell me how many scissors do we have? Let's count. 一、二、三。So we have 三。The mirror word is 把。So 3 pair of scissors is 三把剪子。三把剪子。跟我读 3把剪子，3把剪子，很好。All right, next one. 这是什么？这是笔记本 and 这是书。The Mandarin word for book and notebook is 本。Please repeat 本。So if we want to say a notebook, we can say 一本笔记本。If we want to say 3 books, we can say 3本书。All right, now let's count. Can you tell me how many 书 do we have? How many 书 do we have? We have 1、2、3、4、5、6。So there are 6 books. So 6 books in Mandarin is 6. And the Mandarin word is 本。6本书。Repeat. 6本书。6本书。非常好。All right, now, can you tell me? 这是什么？这是2。2 means 2. And 这是什么？这是2。The English meaning of 2 is 2 as well. It's 2. But what's the difference between 2 and 2? When we calculate the items, we need to use the Mandarin word. But 2, we can't use 2 with Mandarin word. We can use 2 with Mandarin word. For example, if we want to say 2 books, and the Mandarin word for book is 本, and so we can't say 2本书. We need to say 2本书. 2本书. So we use 2 with the Mandarin word, and 2 we can't use 2 with Mandarin word. What about 书包里? 书包 is backpack. 书包里 it means in the backpack. 有 we know it is have or has. 什么 means what. So in the backpack has what. So this sentence means what's in the backpack. Now can you tell me what's in the backpack? In the backpack there are 2 books. Just now we know if we want to use 2, we can't use 2本. We need to use 2本. We need to use 2. So 书包里有什么? What's in the backpack? We can say 书包里有 In the backpack there are 2本书. 2本书 means 2 books. And 本 is the Mandarin word for book. 2 we use 2 before the Mandarin word. 书包里有2本书. It means in the backpack there are 2 books. All right, next one. 书包里有什么? 书包里 in the backpack 有什么? What do we have in the backpack? 这是什么? 这是尺子. And how many 尺子 do we have? We have only one 尺子. The Mandarin word for 尺子 is 把. So we can answer this question with 书包里有. 书包里有 In the backpack there is 一把尺子. 一把尺子 A ruler. And 把 is the Mandarin word for 尺子. So the answer is in the backpack there is a ruler. Alright, let's look at next one. In this lesson, we've learned the Mandarin word for pen, pencils, fountain pen, which is 支, and we've learned 把. 把 is the Mandarin word for scissors, rulers, or chairs. And 本 is the Mandarin word for books or notebooks. And we've learned a question. 书包里有什么? Which means what's in the backpack. And we can answer this question with 书包里有两本书, which means there are 2 books in the backpack. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. See you next week. 再见。